back to my channel. My name is Mia. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So in today's video, I am going to be using products from CurlMix, and shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So let me just go ahead and show you guys this kit. So here is what the kit looks like right here, and I have worked with them before. I will definitely leave some videos down below of me using a different kit from them, but this is a new one. So here is what the inside of the kit looks like. Here are all the products. I'm going to be using all of them in today's hairstyle, so yeah, just stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I am starting off on freshly washed hair. Let me go ahead and put these front sections up and out of the way. So I'm gonna unravel this and spray some water on it just to get my hair back wet. Oh, and as you can, I just sprayed my face. And as you can see, I always use the CurlMix spray bottle. I pretty much use it in every video. I just love this. I love how it mists, and you know, it's just really easy to get your hair wet. But anywho, so the first product that I am going to be going in with is this refresher spray. I'm going to kind of use this as like my leave-in because it is water-based. Here is what it looks like right here. So I'm going to just go ahead and mist some of this on my hair. Ooh, it smells good. Yeah, I'm pretty much just going to use this as a leave-in. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this on all 4 sections. And I was not expecting it to already give me like some definition, but that's always a plus. Y'all know I'll be here for the definition. Now that I have all 4 sections with the refresher spray in it, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the front so I can section off the areas that I'm gonna be doing my twist. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put their avocado moisturizer in my hair. It looks like this. So this is what it looks like. Oh shoot. Nice and creamy. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all on this section. And this does have like, it's like, feels lightweight, but it's super soft, like going onto my hair. So it feels really good and really moisturizing. And I see like it's already starting to give my hair some life, because y'all know my hair, it be looking dry and I hate that. So this is already doing something. All right, and then on top of that, I'm gonna add their Flaxseed Gel. So this is gonna give me some hold, as well as the definition for the ends of my twist. And this is what that looks like. It kind of has like, as you can see, a very like milky, watery texture, and it does have like that slight like gooey texture a little bit. So, oh yeah, and it just slides right on. These products together, it's definitely gonna be good for my hair. I can tell already. So I'm just applying this all to this section, and then once I twist, I'm going to add probably a little bit more to the ends. Okay, y'all, so I don't even think I was recording the whole time I did this side, but yeah, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, and I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. But pretty much I just did like these 3 twists, just like that, something small and simple, and then I put more of the flaxseed gel on the ends of my hair. So yeah, now I'm gonna do this side. Okay, so I did split it in 3 parts, so that's just what I'm gonna do over here. All right, so I am going to do my edges a little bit later, but now that I look like a little girl, I'm gonna go ahead and do the back, and pretty much all I'm doing is just a regular wash and go in the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run through that real quick. I'm gonna be using the avocado moisturizer and then the flaxseed gel on top. Okay, y'all, so here is how my hair is looking after all the product is applied to both sections. Curls are popping, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this diffuse off camera, and I will not let this diffuse. I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse this off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys how my hair looks when it's dry. Okay, y'all, so here is how my hair is looking, nice and full and fluffy and curly, just like I like it. The curls are definitely popping, so yes. Now I'm gonna go in with their oil serum. Looks like this, and I'm gonna apply that to my scalp and just give myself a little scalp massage. And I'm also gonna apply it to the parts as well. I'm just gonna put some on my hands and then massage this. This smells really good. It's actually like it's kind of a thick oil. I mean, it's not too thick, but it's not like super thin. So that's really good. Gonna get this scalp good and moisturized, because sometimes when I do diffuse my hair, my scalp tends to dry out. So this is gonna be really good for that. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands and just kind of scrunch it into the ends of my hair, just for the extra little, you know, pop of oil. But yes, y'all, this is pretty much it for this look. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. It's a little different for me. I usually don't do like styles like this, but I thought about trying something new. As you guys know, I did just cut my hair, so I'm just like trying to experiment with that and see, you know, some cute little things that I can do with this new haircut. But I think this is actually pretty cute. I think I'm gonna try it again. I'm not really like an expert at doing the twist, but I like how it looks. So yes, let me know what you guys think. I feel like this gives my hair like a nice round shape, but overall, I really like how my hair turned out. I feel like the products did my hair some justice. It's nice, moisturized, defined, and it gave me the volume that I was looking for. So yeah, make sure you guys check out all the links down below in the description box if you are interested in getting this kit. Everything will be down there, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.